Okay, here we go. First, try this fix. Avoid negative statements. And here's why. Writing, whether it's business writing or academic writing, really does benefit when the positive is emphasized. Now, this has nothing to do with optimism or the sunny side. Here, we're talking about positive declarative statements that make your writing more definitive and more clear. There's this little 40-page book called The Elements of Style that I think everyone should have a copy of. The authors, Strunk and White, point out the difference between a sentence like, "He was not on time very often," which contains that negative, and the sentence, "He usually arrived late," which is a positive declarative statement. The first is less clear and less definitive. Strunk and White also provide this example. "He did not think studying Latin was much use," and compare that to, "He thought the study of Latin useless." Which is more definitive? Which has a stronger point of view? You see, the point is this. Academic writing should be strong. It should be to the point. And positive statements communicate that you know the facts. You have a clear viewpoint. Now, here are some common ways that negative not sneaks into our writing and, I think, undermines it. First, not is often found along with expletives such as it and there. For example, "It's not that we're ungrateful for all you've done for us. However," that sounds wildly insincere and wishy-washy to say the least. Is there gratitude or not? A clearer, more definitive statement goes ahead and eliminates that not. "We're grateful for all you've done for us. However," you see, that is clearer, more definitive, more professional. Next category. Nots are often found with helping verbs. For example, "The researchers did not consider alternative explanations." In this case, you delete the not along with the helper verb, and that in turn gives you the ability to give the sentence a strong active verb. "The researchers ignored alternatives," or "the researchers disregarded alternatives." Again, I highly recommend the Synonym Finder as a valuable tool during your revision process, which is what we're talking about here. Finally, and this is a really important case too, whenever you're giving instructions, that positive declarative statement is almost always going to be better understood and more accurately followed. For example, don't use the A12 form when reporting overtime. You almost have to have a positive statement like, use the A24 form for instruction to be that instruction to be complete. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you want more of these 10 tips, please check out this playlist and it will give you access to all 10. Okay, see you in the next video.